shit, bro. I can't eat chicken because it's gotta be cooked unless y'all want me to eat raw chicken. How can we eat raw fish but not eat sushi raw? But you never heard of chicken rolls? Raw chicken rolls. You want a raw chicken roll? You want a raw beef roll? You want a raw pork roll? What did I eat for breakfast? The smoothie. I wish I would have got my ears pierced right. Like, my ears pierced is like this. I need my ears pierced at the tip so my earrings could be like this. But they out, so you don't really see because my head's so damn big. Or if my ears just went a little like this, they stuck out more so you can see my earrings. This is my chubby ass face. That's why you can't see it. Try octopus. I'm gonna octopus your ass into the next. Where's Nat? Natalie is not with me. She's on a date on YouTube. I don't like raw fish. I don't like tuna. That shit is weird. You would think, huh? Oh, goofy. What do I do? You ever been to a location? It's like McDonald's. I heard the McDonald's out in LA versus McDonald's in other countries is not the same. Or even states, but mainly the US, you know? But like, I literally had a smoothie. I get a smoothie from one place. I got another location closer to my house. The location from my house makes every single smoothie trash. Every single one. I hate going there, but I'm like, yo, it's right here. The other one, far, but I'm like, it's so worth it. Some cauliflower wraps. The only way I can get cauliflower wraps is if I can get cauliflower wraps. What I'm gonna put in it? It was cooked if it was a cauliflower wrap. You feel me? I can't eat cooked food. Even the fucking Mayans, they burned their stuff on fire. You know what I'm saying? It should be illegal, bro. Illegal, my guy. Illegal, bro. Hurry your ass up over. Come on, man. What do I do? They don't got no poke spots out here? I don't even see no poke, homie. I don't see no poke. I see some sushi. I don't see no. My lips is not that damn dry, is it? Maybe it was. Oh, it's because I lick them and I got the AC on. My lips are always dry. I gotta put Carmex under my lip and above my lip because I always lick above there and that be ashy too. Turn off the filter. Okay. Oh. Oh, hey. 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 You ever had somebody ride your bumper so close you want to brake check them, but your car is nice so you don't want them to hit it? That was this car behind me, like riding so close to my butt. Look at them. Look at them. It was this car right here. Look how close. You should see the car in front. It was her. She driving like she angry. Can y'all see her? She's riding so close to this other person's butt. Like, girl, I'm driving slow. Ride the speed limit, shawty. Try the speed limit. What do I do? You look Like sea breezy. Where? Imagine being really angry. An angry person driving. That would fucking suck ass. I've had road rage. Everybody has experienced road rage. But I know at least one person in this chat is literally this lady behind me. Look, here she comes. She's behind me now. She's about to speed past me. But look, she just got around to the other lady. Look, here she go. Look. Somebody, look how she even hold her hands. She just look angry. Can y'all see her? She like this. The camera. Let me flip it. Let me zoom in a bit. She looking at me. She thought I was gonna put the camera down after she see me see her. Bitch, no. Yeah, slow your ass down now. Next time, slow your ass down. She was. That's gonna teach her ass a lesson. She don't want to pass me. That's gonna teach your ass a lesson. Damn it. Slow your ass down, or you gonna be caught in 4K. Gonna be caught in 4K. Oh, 4K, cause I'm gay. 4K, cause I'm gay. Oh, fuck. I'm annoying as fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Damn. She was caught in 4K. Your hair looks nice. Thank you. It's a little sweated out my edges because I was trying to, work out today. But look like a Karen. Oh, my God. Wait, where's she at? Caught in 4K. Everybody popped in on the live. The live stream went up. Then it was like, okay, then I'm hop back out. It went up to 8:36 to 7:95. They said, oh, bitch, Karen's gone. We thought we was going to see some action. She stopped and was scared. She was scared. I was just like, caught in 4K. Now she's caught at the light. I'm making all the yellow lights. And she's white. Bright, beautiful woman, but she had road rage. God damn. Alright, I'm still trying to... this face is still looking chubbier than ever. Where? Bitch, where? She said, I see you losing weight. Bitch, where? Bitch, where? Titty bigger than my head. Bitch, where? I'm passing all of these lights. God is good. He like, look, I got you. It's still a little bit slow, some of them, but he said, I got you. She gonna be back there. Go ahead, man. I'm gonna give you these green lights, man, because I see your future real bright. I mean, God is a gangster. God is a thug. God is an OG. I don't care what nobody say. God is black, for one. But God is good. God is good. Okay. Yeah, I think I had a little crack this morning. That's what it seems like, huh? That's how I be acting. Nah, bro, I'm just like, literally, you think my mom was a dope fiend before she had me, because like the way that I act is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I don't even know what's wrong with me. Like, people be like, yo, Ezee, did you want to bump? I'm like, what? Like, you want to... I'm like, what the fuck you mean, eh? I thought you were here with me. I'm like, sure, I'm good. Oh, God. I got a bite on my leg. I just drove the longest way to Chick-fil-A because I thought I was getting some other food. God is good all the time. Damn, my service must be lagging. You need to go to Sprouts or Whole Foods. The thing about it is, when it comes to food, I'm lazy too. This is why Natalie cooks, because I'm super lazy when it comes to cooking. It takes so much time to eat food when you have to cook it. You gotta smell that shit. That's how you know I'm a certified fat ass. It's like it irks me that I can't eat the food when I want it, when I'm smelling it. Like, I gotta wait 30 minutes to eat this, but I gotta smell this. My stomach is bubbling, bro. The torture. Give me a certificate, because, yeah, I'm definitely a fat ass. But, man, it be torture, bro. I'm like, let me go have somebody else make this. The fact that I got a beautiful queen that cooks, oh, my God, I'm so blessed, and I can't be more appreciative, because, bye! Before her, when I was single, all I would do is I always ate out, but not always bad, but I would just, everything that I ate had to be out. It'd be easy. You ain't gotta cook a salad, but you right. A salad also don't taste like nothing. This, you wanna go, look, I can go right here, get a salad. Right there. Go get a salad. You know what I'm saying? Off the grass. That's that pure fresh salad, huh? That fresh salad. Sometimes the smell of the food is not the same as the taste. You are absolutely right. It be tasting better. Unless you cooking some greasy ass food, that should be making the smell of overly greasy food makes me want to throw up. Like, I can't be smelling overly greasy food like that. Damn, is school back in session? Or is it all online? Damn, that must suck. I wonder how much money colleges lost. How much money did a college lose? All the colleges for people only going online. They had to text. And then people's like, fuck, I'm not going online. God damn, this hair is beautifully bright. Can you guys see this hair? This is what you call a perfect dye. Like, damn, that is vibrant. Look at that. Vibrant. That is beautiful. Damn, how did she get that color so beautiful and vibrant, bright? Oh, my lane is turning. Sorry. Sorry, I have people waiting. Sorry. Alright, bro, this is a line. Which line am I gonna choose? Guys, left or right? The left way is always wrong, or the right way is always wrong? Let's see which one's going. There's 3 lines. Choose. Left, right, or middle? Hurry. The first person is to comment. I'm gonna go to it. Come on. Oh, damn. Somebody chose it. The left. Somebody already chose it. Right. All right, that's the first one. Well, right. Oh, damn. Y'all took too long for left. Somebody else took it. And the left one's faster. Damn it. I could have been next. Look at this line. That's because it's the Lord's food. Look at this line. This car could have been me. This car could have been me if this shit wasn't taking so damn long. Now I'm in this lane. And then there's another lane over here. Whoa. All right. Let's see. He's going to see me alive. Write down my what's up? How's it going?
Can I have a name search order?
Yes, Ezee.
And how much is it for Ezee?
Can I get a Cobb salad?
With the avocado lime ranch?
No. Can I get the Italian dressing?
Perfect.
And then can I also get no chicken on it?
No chicken, perfect.
No bacon?
Perfect.
And then can I get a medium fruit cup? Let me get 3 of those medium fruit cups.
3 medium fruit cups, perfect.
Yeah.
That'll be it?
Yeah.
No chicken, no bacon, the light Italian, and 3 medium fruit cups.
Yeah.
It'll be $20.73 after your payment all the way there.
Damn. $20.73. Am I muted, y'all? Because y'all know when the service gets interrupted, it be muted. Let me know if I'm muted.
If you can enter your chip right here.
Yes, sir.
You having a good day so far?
Yeah.
Perfect. I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you.
Go ahead and move your card. Have a good day.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Have a good one, Zach.
Thank you.
Thank you. Fuck, I wanted that chicken on there. I wanted I wanted a mac and cheese. I wanted a chicken sat. I wanted a. I'm off. Okay. Okay, y'all can't hear me. Oh fuck! It said no eggs. Damn it! I forgot the eggs, bitch. I'm trying. The eggs gonna stay on there. I don't care. At this point, I don't want to hear it. At this point, it's gonna be just lettuce, and I'm paying $10.99 for some lettuce, $24.99 for some lettuce. Shit, can't give me a break of that Kit Kat bar. Please, it's literally chicken. Oh fuck! I forgot the cheese. Fuck! Damn it! Shit, I'm trying. It's literally on that salad: chicken, bacon, cheese, and eggs, and lettuce. What the fuck else I'm gonna eat? No, like, this is a serious moment right now. What the fuck else I'm gonna eat? I just taste like I got hangry breath. You ever had hangry breath? It just, god damn. Fuck. I'm motherfucking tired. Look at my sweaty ass. Veggie grill. They got vegan mac and cheese. You don't understand. I am raw vegan. I'm supposed to be doing raw vegan for 10 days. I can't eat anything cooked. It can't be cooked. It can't be cheese. The only thing that's raw is fucking tuna and grass. Both of them I don't like. Talk about mac and cheese. I would love some mac and cheese. But bitch, I'm fat. You ever seen a fat vegan I have? That's because they eat that goddamn mac and cheese. Bitch, hold on. Yes, that's me. How's it going? Thank you so much, sweetheart.
Have an amazing night.
You too. Have a good one, buddy. Thank you. What's up? How's it going? Yeah.
You're the YouTuber.
Oh, I mean, I do YouTube, you know, here and there.
I see you around.
You been seeing me?
Yeah.
That's what's up. I be on the tube, you know, doing your thing, you know.
That's cool. You and Natalie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's babe.
She's a famous YouTuber.
Oh, I ain't famous. I ain't
You are
famous. Michael Jackson famous. Chris Brown famous. I ain't famous. But yeah.
Whoa, that is crazy.
Yeah. I'll just be
Oh
good.
my gosh. Okay, I don't want to take any more.
No, you
Have an
can.
amazing night.
All right, you have a good one,
First,
sweetheart.
my cousin.
All right.
Yo.
Later. Excuse me. Bye. Have a good one. Careful, girl. Don't get hit. She's running. She's running. Look, she's running. Look at her running. She's out. Look. She's out. She's out. Look. Later. Have a good one. Bitch, I'm fucking hungry! I'm hungry! Damn! Fucking shit. Eat this damn fruit salad. Fruit salad. Yummy, yummy head ass! I mean, it is good. It is good. I ordered about 4 of them. That's what I'm eating. I mean, it's good. You gotta smack when you're hungry. Don't judge me. Oh, my car, it drives like a Tesla. It drives on its own, don't worry. It's this feature called the knee up feature. You just put your knee up and you're good. On a straightaway only. I love this feature in this car. Especially when you're eating and you're hungry. It comes in clutch. The knee up feature. Google it. The knee up feature. More older people know about that feature, but it comes with my car. I'm fucking hungry. I didn't inhaled it. Excuse me, Mr. Acura. You better act right. Pulling out into the lane like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's the Acura behind me. Pulled out kind of quick from the other side, but it was fast. Next, I'm gonna try. I know fruit got a lot of sugar, so I gotta be careful. Probably save the other 2 packs for later. I'm trying not to eat past 9. Shit. No hand sanitizer? Bitch, I'm sanitized by the Lord. I'm clean. I got tested not too long ago. I got the clap. I'm good. So I'm inhaling this shit. All I had was a smoothie today. I don't care what y'all say. Judge me. Oh, God damn. That is a beautiful homeless man. God damn. Man, oh, I can't even do it. Oh my God. He was beautiful. That was a crackhead though. He was a crackhead, but he was beautiful. He was a white man with dirty, streaky, slick ponytail. It was like dirty as fuck, but it was blonde. It was cute. He had his jacket was hanging over him, but it was like he was swaggy, but dirty as hell, but cute. Oh, this shit hit. Chick-fil-A. Lord, there's something to do with the Lord to help mix these fresh fruits up. You just gotta shove them in your mouth. Shove them in your mouth. It don't hit unless you smacking that shit.